What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. I'm back with another video, and yeah, I know you might have seen me with this on in another video, but this the same day, just a different video. So let's get into it. Hold on, you know what I'm saying? We got something going on. Let me get y'all straight. So yeah, I ordered a radio. I said radio. I ordered a radiator, man, off of eBay, dog. And I called myself looking it up, trying to make sure it was in US, you know what I'm saying? Good feedback, you know, all that. And even after doing that, bro, get what that motherfucker say. Excuse me for cussing, but let me see. Made in China, bro. Made in China. So we don't know how this gonna go, you feel me? We don't know how this gonna go. You know what I'm saying? I probably should have spent a little more. And you know, I don't know, man, but we just gonna see, bro. Sometimes we be trying stuff with this stuff, man. Cause at the end of the day, a lot of this stuff actually be made in China, bro. Folks don't be wanting to say it, but a lot of this stuff we get, it come from China. They just slap their name on it. That's how they do. So give me a second, man. Let me get this together. Give me 1 second. So this how they got it, man. They got like a bunch of, I guess, like little plastic to stop it from getting beat up. But I did look on the box. The box had a damn footprint on it, like somebody stepped on it. Like they out here trying to climb a wall or something. Y'all hold tight. Let me get this out. Yeah, it did come with fans. I did do that. Let me get this out and put y'all back on. Alright, so yeah. I took it out the bag. And so far, I mean, it looks alright. But I'm actually not sure yet. It looks alright. Look like it got good welds, but you know what I'm saying, we won't really know until it's time. We won't know. One thing I can say, it smells like they just got done welding this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie to you. It smells just like they got done welding, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it don't look too bad. Like I say, it look like they just got done welding it. So, you know, it's one of them things, man. See if I can adjust that. There we go. You see what I'm saying? It's like they just got done welding it. Definitely got welds on it, I don't know. Hopefully it ain't leaking or something, you know what I'm saying? We'll see, but you never know, dog. This thing be coming from over there, man. You never know. Never know. Hopefully I ain't doing bad. I'm gonna try to get some more turned around. Yeah, like I said, it didn't have no bad fins in it. All the fins look good. You know, like I say, hopefully it ain't leaking. That's all. I don't really want no leak. And I ain't pay that much for it. So I would have to see if they, you know what I'm saying, if anything happened. I think it got like a little warranty on it, so we'll see. But we're gonna get this in and we're gonna see what it do. So yeah, man. Just one of the things I got in today, little radiator, man. I'm just trying to bring y'all things, let y'all see what I got going on my build, you know, and you know what I'm saying. That's it. I can't wait till I got a little new microphone that I want, you know what I'm saying. I'll be able to talk, that I won't have to deal with this up top. But yeah, man, it's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. We got the aluminum radiator. Oh yeah, besides the aluminum radiator, I got a 160 degree thermostat, so that's gonna keep my engine running cooler. Like I told you, I I don't like them engines running hot, dog. I swear to God. Mine be running like 210, 209. It be up in there, and I don't really like that range because I just don't like it. It be running. That's hot to me. But I'm used to you know, small blocks. We run them small blocks, 160, 175 all day. You know what I'm saying? And just running. But we gonna see how this do. But anyway, it's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. Sometimes them shops get bagged up. You don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. We got the aluminum radiator, and I'm out. Yeah.